Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to change the number of decimal places in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. As you can currently see right now, we have values over here that contains several numbers of decimal places. Well, to deal with this, if ever we want to decrease or increase, there are actually two ways to handle it. First is selecting all the data that we have over here and clicking on these buttons over here under the numbers group in the Home tab. We can either increase the number of decimal places or decrease them depending on what we need. Since we're looking at data that has too much numbers in it, making it convoluted, all we have to do is decrease the decimal place for it to be easier to read. Let's click on it multiple times, and there we go. Be noted that the number is rounded up if the last number in the decimal is greater than 5, and it would be rounded down if the number is less than 5. As you can see over here, the 8437 should be 844 once we decrease another decimal place, and the 122 shall remain as 122 since 1 is less than 5. Let's try. And there we go. Now, if our data is needed to be very accurate and more precise with its values, then let's go ahead and increase the decimal places by selecting the numbers and click on the Increase Decimal Place button. Take note that when you click on a cell and you see 4 numbers in it, the original value that is stored over there is still saved within the cell. Now, the second method over here relies on the formatting of the cell. All we have to do is to right-click the cell and go to Format Cells. This window should show up. Now, we can manually set the number of decimal places over here. As you can see, there's a preview sample on top, and we can rely on that when we're trying to change our data. Let's try 2 decimal places for now, and click on OK. Now, our data has become more clean and easier to read than ever. And there we have it. This is how you change the number of decimal places in Microsoft Excel.